There will be more competition, definitely, but then as part of that process, we also expect that there will be consolidation. So, because not all of them will be able to survive over the next 5 to 8 years, particularly in countries where a lot of the liquidity will move into the T2S environment. I think there will be a certain amount of loss of scale, which will mean that there will be a survival issue. So this is going to be mixed. There's going to be competition, but competition will result in quite a few of the people falling away. So that's one. The other thing on costs itself, there are going to be huge initial costs, which means that in the large markets, this is going to be like a financial burden sort of for the next 3 to 5 years, and the returns have to come in the following 7 to 10 years. But then these markets have got the liquidity to be able to bring the returns in when it turns around. But in the smaller markets where the liquidity is going to dry up, the lesser countries, because the liquidity will shift to T2S, there you're going to have a bigger problem because they have to service the local market, they have to service the non-T2S securities, and to have to do that without the support from the big chips in the market which bring in the liquidity is going to be very difficult for them. So the only way in which they can become more efficient or even survive itself is if they can do other services in addition to the plain vanilla depository services they do today. Depositories, in a sense, are data stores, right? So there are opportunities in these. But a lot of these are also, technology-driven opportunities. In addition to this, I would think that there is a possibility that depositories can become national data stores. They can provide information on the identity of people. In India, for example, the National Depository handles a number of other things, including verification of the CVs of IT professionals, because it is a source of quality data. Then it is possible that depositories can reposition themselves as authentic sources of data to their nations. These kind of transformational changes are not happening everywhere. So there are no lessons to be learned from some other group of countries. And at the same time, the economy is not necessarily in great shape. So there is a sense of fear about what all of this will bring. And there is no other example to learn from to say that, this is a best practice, this is the way in which you progress, this is how much time it takes. So there is nervousness about it, but I would not say that it is for private gain.